Hi, I'm Andrei Mincov, the founder of Trademark Factory. And in this video, I'm going to share my thoughts about yet another trademarking screw-up. This time around, it has to do with Amazon trying to trademark their new brand for jewelry. No! There are actually a couple of things that I wanted to comment on in this article, but let me first read from it, and as always you can find the link to the actual article in the description below. So Amazon has filed a trademark for Keeps by Amazon brand. They'll be used for online retail sales of jewelry, blah blah blah, da da da. So though a trademark filing does not indicate with complete certainty where a company will go next, it does give insight into a company's considerations and thinking. Amazon does currently sell jewelry on its website, including its own Amazon collection, which sells jewelry of generally plain designs and value prices. Amazon has been collecting private labels for a while now. It is now up to at least 76 brands, ranging from bathing suits to consumables like paper towels. Amazon's private brands have been under fire lately as it relates to the company's overall strategy as both retailers of goods and marketplace platform for other sellers. Critics, including European Union Competition Commissioner Margaret Vestager and U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren, say that limits competition as Amazon uses data from all of these sales to help launch its own brands, which can in turn steal away that business. So, like I said, there are a couple of things here. First of all, it shows Amazon's understanding of the value of the brand. They understand that there's no point in launching a brand unless you own that brand. So the first thing they do before they launch, before people even have a clue what this is going to be about and how it's going to look like, first thing they do is they file a trademark to make sure they own the brand. But the bigger concern here, of course, is this antitrust nonsense. And I'm known as a strong opponent of antitrust laws. In fact, I believe that the first antitrust laws in 1890s were the first step to destroy, really, a system of voluntary exchange between free and willing individuals, known as capitalism, and turn that into a system where a bunch of bureaucrats and incompetents tell everyone else how they should live their lives, which is socialism. And these laws, antitrust laws, are by definition arbitrary, capricious, and unfair. Because really the whole idea behind antitrust laws is to punish successful businesses for being successful, and reward unsuccessful businesses for failing to compete with the successful businesses in an open market. I think it's a disgrace. I think it's despicable. I think that if you've accomplished something that everyone wants, it's to be celebrated. And if you start acting stupid, there will be others who will be able to find a way to compete with you and send you to oblivion. That's what capitalism is all about. But really, to say that it's unfair for Amazon to sell Amazon brands through Amazon platform using Amazon data, it's just crazy. It's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. Because if you don't think that you want to compete with Amazon on Amazon's own platform, sell your stuff somewhere else. Amazon does not have an obligation to make your life easy. They provide you an amazing way to reach millions of people. And yes, they may want to use their own platform to sell their own brands. There's nothing wrong with that. So just my rant about antitrust, but really from the trademarking perspective, again, this just shows that Amazon keeps building up their portfolio, their own brands, and they do it the right way by getting their brands trademarked first. If you found this video useful, if you found it interesting, make sure you subscribe now and get notified whenever the next video goes live. And by the way, if you have your own opinion about antitrust laws, make sure you leave your comment below. I'd love to hear it. And I'll see you in the next video.